Hello and welcome, this is Dee from CrystalCraftswithdee. This is my next cross-stitch project that I will be working on. This is a gorgeous Joy Sunday 14 count Aida cloth cross-stitch kit that I got from VIPCrossStitch. And this one is called Italian Manor. And it is 14 count, finished size is 16 by 38 centimeters, so it's an unusual size. I quite like that. And I just love the colors, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Being a Joy Sunday, it comes in this beautiful project zip seal bag, and on the back it has all your instructions if you're a new cross stitcher. So I'll just go through these really quickly. So you have your cover sheet there, and I just love the design. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love how it's narrow and long, and I love how like your eye travels this road all the way up to the top of the house up there. I just love that. I love the colors. I love this sort of spot red color in there as well, kind of give it a bit of a contrast. So pretty. So inside we have our canvas and colors and chart. So in here there is full stitch and back stitch, so you've got 21 full stitch colors. There's your DMC cross reference, and then up here you've got 2 back stitch colors. They're very easy to do. There's only a little bit to do on here. It's just your sort of details in the trees and your bridge there, 2 sides of the bridge, and that is all the back stitching on there. So it doesn't look like there's any confetti on here. This is the Aida cloth here. Very, very well printed. Being Joy Sunday, you've got the hemmed edges, which I really like. Down the bottom you've got your symbols, and that looks absolutely beautiful. There's no confetti whatsoever. You've got a bit of detail down here, but no confetti whatsoever. This is a perfect beginner's project, and it's very easy to take around with you, portable. You can take it anywhere. It's a great traveling project as well. But I love the size. It's just a different sort of size. And when I work on something like this, I don't work with hoops and stuff like that or frames. I just roll it up from the bottom and just keep working. Roll it up. Too easy. But yes, it's a perfect size. I just love that. And it's very well printed as well. Alright, we'll have a look at those colors. So your colors come on a pre-sorted card. You have 2 needles there, and it's very well marked as to what colors are what, and these colors are just gorgeous. Look at those beautiful earthy tones. Got these gorgeous yellows and red for that perfect contrast. So I just love those colors, and they're long. They're soft, really beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. There's colors on the other side, more earthy tones. How beautiful is that? Just gorgeous. So there you go. That is my next cross stitch project that I will be working on. Italian Manor. Shouldn't take me too long to do, simply because of the size, and it's not difficult at all. So I will be getting started on this pretty quickly, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like finished. My review if I had any issues with it, that sort of thing. So I'm going to get started on this one, and I will see you on the other side. Okay, so all finished. Didn't this turn out absolutely amazing? I absolutely love this. I love the colors. I think they work absolutely beautifully. Got some really beautiful shading. You've got some good depth there. That 3D effect is really well done. You've got some larger sections here, like blocking colors, so if you want to just sort of chill out and just do some blocking, you can. And then when you're ready to do some detailed work and stuff, there's a little bit of detail in here and down there. There's no confetti whatsoever, and the symbols were very easy to follow, and this was very easy to stitch. This is a perfect beginner's project. I'll bring it up a bit closer so you can have a look there. So that's my favoriteest part, is this section here. I just love that. Now it does have a little bit of back stitching, so it's just this little bit here for the bridge, tiny bit there, this bit here, and there's just a couple little bits here in with the trees just to sort of show those branches. Now if you don't like doing back stitch, then I think with this project there's no problem at all if you don't do the back stitch. It's not necessary. It just gives you a little bit extra detail there, but you know, if you like the image, don't be put off by the back stitch. You don't need to do it. So, but I obviously did that so you can have a look and see how it turned out. But oh, I just love this. I love the colors. I love how you've got this beautiful winding pathway. It goes right through those beautiful fields, right through and all the way up to the tippy top, to the house on the top of the hill, and I think it's so beautifully well done. I just love these colors. And it wasn't hard to do at all. It's a perfect beginner's project. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the size. I did take this around with me here, there, and everywhere. It was nice and easy to sort of pull it out, do a little bit of cross stitching and pack her back up again. Just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And the back, what's the back there? Just so you can see my chicken scratches. So not too bad. A little bit messy, but not too bad. So when I started this, I actually started it from the bottom and worked up. It's kind of how I like to roll with these sorts of things. But being a stamped cross stitch, you can start anywhere you want. But that's kind of how I do it. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, we'll have a look at those leftover threads. So the threads are really soft, nice and long, really good quality. I came that close with that color there. And I really did not think that I was going to have enough, but I had just enough to finish that off. So that was a little bit close. Another one that I was a little bit close with, not too bad. That's this sky color. It's not too bad. Oh, I thought there was one more that I was reasonably close to. No, I think that was it. But you can see with the rest of them, there's like heaps left over. So I don't know why the main color I had so very little. I was sweating a bit there. I thought, oh my God, I'm going to run out. But I had enough. So there you go. Really beautiful threads. Easy. Gorgeous. Alright, so there you go. There is my beautiful Italian Manor. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I have gone ahead and washed this. It's very easy to wash your stamped cross stitch. Of course, if you don't want to wash it, you don't have to, but I like to sort of wash it and have it nice and finished. If you've never washed your stamped cross stitch before, you want some hints and tips, I do have a video tutorial that I did a little while ago, so I will link that in the description box below if you wanted to have a look at that. And just one thing, with sometimes when I do wash these, I don't know if it's coming up on, oh yeah, you can see it there. Sometimes the red is kind of hard to get out, and I could have left it for a lot longer to soak, but it doesn't bother me that it's still there. I'm not really worried. But I could have left it a little bit longer. But it just seems to be that sometimes the red kind of hangs on. But other than that, it all comes up nice and easy. Beautiful and clean. I did not iron this. I didn't think I really needed to. So anyway, so that's my beautiful Italian Manor that I got from VIPCrossStitch. So I'd like to thank VIPCrossStitch very much for sending this out to me for review. I just love it. There are, I believe, a couple more that are of this sort of layout where it's thin and long. And I'd like to get those as well because I really enjoyed that sort of shape. Something a little bit different. And it was just much easier to work with, I found. So thank you so much, VIPCrossStitch, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!